What's up, everyone? Yep, that's right. We're taking the bug, we're resurrecting the bug out of the woods. She's been miserable. She's been abused. She went through a couple tornadoes. She's been in the rain. And she is done with this. She wants some life. So we gave her some life. We did a full, completely redesign of the package in the back. As you can see, we got a Audi R8 Quattro transmission, seven speed dual clutch. That is paired with a custom adapter plate over there to a BMW 6-cylinder diesel from the 335 diesel, the M57. And we triple turboed it just like we've done on the TDI. So you have the twin staging there, that's factory. We just added some turbo speed sensor to them to monitor everything. Waste gated at the EGR port, this guy. And the exhaust, instead of going out to atmosphere, is sent to a 9280 EFR, which is super awesome. It's the biggest EFR of the family. And so now the exhaust comes off there at the window of the bug. This stage is compressing air from atmosphere. The air filter is going to be right here at the window. It's compressed once and cooled and sent back to the original intake of the M57. Then the engine, instead of getting atmosphere air, is getting boosted air. So it's starting with, instead at Pikes Peak, you're getting 0.5 atmospheric at the peak. Now it's getting boosted air. So this is probably going to produce 1.2 bars. And now the engine can start compounding that boosted air and the twin turbo together, so that will create quite a bit of boost. So that's for this. Now when the boost is created, it leaves the twin turbo and goes to the second cooler. This one is a little bit larger. And this is a really large cooler, water cooled, with twin pumps, one that push, one that pulls. I like to do this always. And everything is vibrant mounted, and is going into the intake. Here we have boost pressure and air temperature. That's what goes into the valves, so it's just before combustion. And yeah, so far so good. We have our PCA 2000 that we're doing the wiring right now. That stuff is sick. You can measure in-cylinder pressure real time and actually adjust the tuning real time with the cylinder pressure value. We have all those old stickers. It's awesome. 98, 99, 97. That is so cool. So it makes me so happy to pull her out of the woods and do this V3. V1 was a manual shifting transmission. V2 was a PDK with TDI. V3 is Lambo Audi R8 with 6-cylinder. I'd say that this is the gnarliest thing. Just that idle is already scary, so super stoked. Leave some comments and let me know what you think about this year Pikes Peak. It's gonna be, can we beat the Radical SR3 record? Why is the Bug better than the SR3? I want to say that the Bug has something about the wheelbase and suspension that was giving this extra compliance on the crazy road of Pikes Peak. The SR3 has been a very rigid chassis. I'm sure I can go down on spring rates and explore, but the Bug has been calling for years and years and years, and I think she deserves hopefully to set a record. So we'll see if we can do a 9-minute run with that beast. It's so gnarly. Right now we're doing a little cleanup and preparation for the lean pins. They are custom made little pins that are from iconic cars. So this car is going to be part of this year's collection, and I'm pretty excited about this. All right, guys, stay in touch. See you at the peak in 10 days.